In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to actually do keyword research with Claude. By the end, you'll know how to spin up structured keyword clusters in minutes and turn them into actionable content ideas. First, open your browser and head to Google. Any browser works here. We're using Google simply because it's a quick way to reach the official Claude interface without typing a full URL. In the search bar, type Claude AI and press enter. You're looking for the official site from Claude's developer. The legitimate result typically appears at the top and clearly references the official Claude domain. If you see ads above it, just skip them and choose the organic result. This helps you avoid lookalike pages. Click into the Claude website to open the app. You should land on the chat interface where you can start a new conversation. If you're taken to a general landing page instead, look for a button or link that says New Chat or similar to open a fresh prompt window. Once you're there, we'll craft a single, well-structured prompt so Claude knows exactly what to produce. In the message box, paste or type a prompt like this. Create 20 keyword clusters for the niche AI tools and automation. For each cluster, include the primary keyword, 6 to 10 long-tail variations, the search intent, and the best content angle. That phrasing does a lot of work for you. It asks for clusters so ideas are grouped. It requests long-tail variations to target specific searches. It defines search intent so you know whether to write informational or transactional content. And it calls for the best content angle so you're not guessing what format or perspective to use. If your niche is different, swap AI tools and automation for your topic. Keep the structure identical. That consistency helps Claude return clean, scannable results. You can also clarify any constraints, like excluding brand names or focusing on beginner-friendly terms, but keep it in one message so the model sees the full brief at once. Now, click Submit. Claude will generate your clusters in batches. As the results appear, scan the primary keyword in each cluster, then glance at the long tails and confirm they match your audience and intent. If something feels too broad, ask Claude to narrow the audience, increase specificity, or prioritize keywords with clearer purchase intent. If an angle looks generic, request alternatives like comparisons, checklists, or case studies. That's it. You've used Claude to produce structured keyword clusters you can turn into briefs and content calendars immediately.